Starting with the name of Allah, who is very kind and most merciful. Today, my discussion is about virtue and evil. Since the dawn of mankind, truth and falsehood have been engaged in an ongoing battle. When Allah Almighty created Sayyidina Adam alayhi salam, Iblis' arrogance drove him to rebel against the divine command, becoming a perpetually cursed and rejected denizen of hell. From the moment when Sayyidina Adam alayhi salam set foot in this realm, thousands of confrontations between truth and falsehood have transpired, sometimes manifesting as battles of ideologies and at other times as physical encounters between the forces of good and evil. Ultimately, Allah Almighty always grants victory to the truth and falsehood is always disgraced. The plains of Karbala witnessed a monumental conflict that has become etched in the annals of history and minds of people. The soul representing truth and justice on that occasion, Sayyidina Imam Hussain Rizallahu Ta'ala anhu, is still remembered as beacon of truth. At the same time, his adversary Yazid has become a synonym for falsehood. The massacre of Karbala resulted from the worldly ambitions of Yazid and the treachery of the Kufan people who had sent many invitations and letters to Imam Hussain Rizallahu Ta'ala anhu. This incident saw the merciless massacre of the many members of Prophet's family and their supporters at the hands of Yazid's forces. May we be sacrificed upon those noble souls who has given their lives by standing with truth and their homes. May we be sacrificed upon those noble souls who stood by the truth by giving their lives, sacrificing their homes, enduring unbearable pain, and witnessing the painful scenes of their children being martyred before their own eyes. Despite these tragedies, they remain committed to Islam, refusing to surrender to falsehood or to bow before its people. Thanks, have a nice